Hi, it's Sharon. We're talking today about healthy habits. Being proactive with healthy habits you can do every day is a great way to keep cravings at a calmer level. Adopting these daily practices also just keeps your wellness top of mind. So first off is the one I talk about all the time. Keep hydrated. Drink water. So when you feel a craving coming on, drink a glass of water. Wait 15 minutes. Chances are your craving will be gone, which means you were really just thirsty. So be intentional about drinking water throughout the day. Add a drop of my favorite grapefruit essential oil to your water glass or diffuse it aromatically to help with cravings. Plus it puts a smile on your face. How can you not smile with citrus? In the Calm Your Cravings course, you're going to receive a bonus ebook that I created on cravings and essential oils. I think you're going to love it. So another healthy habit is always to make sure you get enough sleep. That means 7 to 8 hours. Studies show that even a single night of sleep deprivation changes the levels of our hunger and appetite hormones, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Movement is also an effective way to control cravings. And when you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting and crave-busting effects. And the good news is, even a moderate amount of exercise can make a big difference in calming cravings. So like and follow this so you can get on to the next video.